A lot of times you see a pair of sneakers and you feel it is too damn expensive. I should find something very similar to it. But you end up finding nothing, because a lot of time there are no similar sneakers to expensive pair of sneakers. But in rare cases you find some great sneakers which are very similar to some expensive sneakers, like some really good alternatives. And in this video I have 5 alternatives of great sneakers for you guys. So without wasting any of the time, let's start. What is up people, this one Kamli here, your sneaker guy. And guys, yes, I am too damn excited for this video, because the last time I did this kind of video was 2 years back. A lot of times finding an expensive sneaker and finding a good alternative of it is exciting, to me at least. So let's start the video, and let's start the video with a banger sneaker and a banger alternative. Okay, first let me show you guys the picture of an expensive sneaker that is popping on the screen right now, and it is Air Jordan 1 Travis Scott Low Phantom. It is a very beautiful sneaker. It will cost you anywhere around 80,000 rupees, and in some sizes it may go up in price and in some sizes it may go down in price, but average price of this sneaker is anywhere around 85,000 rupees. Now let me unbox this pair for you guys. So here we go. This is Nike KILLSHOT 2, and if you are not a sneakerhead, just tell me there is any difference between this pair and the picture popping here. There is absolutely no difference for a normal person, but for sneakerheads there is obviously a major difference in these two sneakers. Both the silhouettes are totally different, but they have the same flavor, they have the same vibe, they have the same character. The black and white sneaker, like the full black leather upper sneaker with white stitching on it, and it looks so much similar. Yes, I know there are differences in both the sneakers, but at the end you get the same vibe, you get the same character of the sneaker, and for a fraction of the price, like 10% of the price of the Travis Scott pair. Like this will cost you anywhere around 7,000 rupees. I got this sneaker for 7,200 rupees. It is pretty nice, it is pretty comfortable, it looks very good, it fits true to size, and what else you want? If you want to get that exact vibe, it is the best sneaker you could have. Yes, this looks fantastic. Now let's move to the next alternative, and it is from Adidas. And here is the picture of the expensive sneaker. Yes, it is Adidas Stan Smiths, and now we are going to unbox a pair which looks very much similar to it, like exactly similar to it. So let's go. So this is Adidas Advantage 3.2. Again, a very much similar looking pair to the Adidas Stan Smiths, the classic one. Just look at this picture, just look at this pair. Everything on the sneaker is exactly same. They have the same green tag on the back. They have whole white leather sneaker upper. Everything on the sneaker is same apart from the tongue. That's it, because you do not get that Stan Smith branding on the tongue, and the tongue on this pair is made out of canvas, and the tongue on Adidas Stan Smith is made out of leather. Yes, there are a lot of differences if you get into details, but for the usual crowd, for the normal audience, these two sneakers are exactly same. That is what I feel. Like, do let me know what you guys think about all these alternatives in the end of this video. But watch this video till the end, so let me know what you guys think about it. But I feel this looks exactly similar. And Adidas Stan Smiths normally cost you 9,000, somewhere around that, but this pair I got it for 4,000, something like that, 4,000 or 3,900. So yes, exactly 3,900 rupees. This is comfortable, this fits true to size, looks very good, very clean, and a very versatile pair. So yes, why not? Moving towards the next sneaker on this list, and it is again from Nike. Yes, I got a couple of sneakers on this list of Nike, like 2 sneakers. This is the last one. So yes, on the screen you can see the image of the expensive sneaker, or the sneaker of which I'm going to show the alternative. That is Nike Air Max 90 in that black and white colorway. And now I'm going to show you guys an alternative of it. So yes, let's unbox this pair. this is Nike Air Max SC. And now you tell me what are the major differences in both the sneakers. Like, yes, there are some differences in this one, I will definitely say, but they look very similar. Like, they have the same vibe to it, they have the same character again, and most importantly, they have the same exact technology to them. So they have the exact Nike Air bubble, so that is the major part of this sneaker. You let me know what you guys feel. This sneaker is comfortable, like really comfortable. It fits true to size. Again, a Nike pair, you do not have to go for fakes. You can really go for this one if you like Air Max 90 or any of the Air Max sneakers and you think they are very costly, because Nike Air Max 90s normally will cost you around 12,000 rupees, and I got this one for 5,200 rupees. That is a steal, right? So yes, this is Nike Air Max SC for you guys, a great alternative for Nike Air Max 90. Now moving towards the next sneaker on this list, and it is from Adidas, and on the screen you see Adidas ULTRABOUNCE 25 in that black and white colorway. Yes, it is a very comfortable sneaker. Yes, it is a very premium Adidas model, and yes, it is beautiful. But not everyone can afford it. So I have something for you guys. So let's go. So this is Adidas Ultra Run 5. A very similar looking silhouette, a very similar looking colorway, and has that exact same heel portion to it, gives that exact same vibe, has a very good amount of comfort to the sneaker, and yes, it also has great quality to it. So yes, this sneaker looks very much similar to the Adidas ULTRABOOST 25 in my opinion. You can say it looks very much similar to the Adidas ULTRABOOST 23, 24, 25, any of those models, because all of those three models look very similar to each other, and this one looks great alternative for those. And talking about the price point, there is huge difference, because most of the time ULTRABOOST 25, 24, 23, any of those will go around 20,000 rupees. I got this pair for 4,200 rupees. Like, that is some insane price for this pair. Now let's move towards the next sneaker on this list. And before talking about this sneaker, I just want to say that my motive of making this video, or my the reason I made this video is very simple. I don't want people to fall for the trap of hyped sneaker and buy fake sneakers. I want people to buy genuine sneakers, real sneakers, sneakers from good brands, sneakers which are genuinely good, and that was the only motto of me making this video. There might be some huge differences between the sneaker I am showing you guys and between the sneaker I am unboxing. There might be huge differences, but I feel if the vibe is same, you can go for it if you really like it. So now let's unbox this, and do not come after me after watching this last sneaker. Do not troll me, do not criticize me, just letting you guys know. So let's go. So now on the screen you have Nike LV collab in that red and white colorway. It is a very premium sneaker, a very good looking sneaker, a very expensive sneaker. So now let me unbox the sneaker, which I feel in my opinion is very much similar to that sneaker. Yes, there will be huge differences between them, but it has the same vibe. Let's go. So this is Puma CA Pro, and I told you guys it will have a similar vibe to it, and you cannot deny that they have the exact similar color blocking to it, that red and white colorway. The toe box looks very similar, the silhouette is very similar to Nike Air Force, and that is the reason this looks very much similar to that pair. Yes, there are huge differences, but I told you guys the vibe is similar, the character is similar, but the pricing is North Pole and South Pole. You can get this sneaker around 4,500 rupees, and that pair is 100 times more, like exactly 100 times more. So this sneaker will fit true to size. This sneaker is comfortable. This sneaker, you can get it easily. So why not go and get this pair if you like that pair. So yes, I have got all the sneakers from Amazon, and Amazon has their ultimate brand sale live right now. You can go and check it out. You will get some amazing discounts there, And yes, with that, thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you next time in the next video. Peace.